I was a Captain Koja Smart, and a Ghana for him, say, Omun 10 year master. Now, it's about time or much room say, EOCO Anton Sanfra Captain Smart. Now, Omunya Yushemu, and Musa questions Captain Smart. Usika would young punto ewa gomwa when ya broge de sikan unya na hefa. Na says ka krona wasa be bodini. Eso this we ebe wura gomwa West constituency here to abale mawa uri be wura mu no.
Ame Mr. $250 million but constituency.
There's can anya bia ubenya e de free hene. Ghana for no abebu sada question mu invite EOCO say on invite Captain Smart. Na on to na no cause ye mpese e chine bebete say FBI for as a betchi Ghana ni member of Parliament bi ayem pesa biati. Be dem wo hano mo as mo host Penyah de sie ene bo hu de euro e kira man. Sam esra say de kwan so. Obi me subscribe button so that room. Obi turn the notification icon on for latest update. Na be kira wa adwen da mame. E wo comment section. Oba so anu a share amanua so enya bi ahwe na wo pe ba bi e board wade ton de bi hu de euro. Wadwa de hu de euro anase ensanjuma bi na wo ye business bi na wo run bi na wo ye. Na wo pese wo ye announcement. Wo pese wo ye adverter. Fre, your number any go no. Your audience, TikTok, Facebook, baby, you put video in Echo Honmo. Your huge numbers here. We will deliver. You go burst your mind. We will deliver. Now let's go to the story. I was here on inside Captain Smart. Unity. I was a person or contest. Ewo Gomwa West Member of Parliament elections. Or person or contest TB. Now at first, also Captain Smart by Castle no. On this ni one to now by Mahama on to now by NDC that.
NDC, I will never vote for NDC. I am telling you.
2024, Okopiem NDC 360. One semi fee a hono or catch us when you say me MPP ni but now no be CPP.
And that's a fact. Na me MPP ni. Kronunti mejai.
That's
me CPP ni say. Okay.
2024, okase we CPP ni. 2025 kwa ni to be we okase no. NDC for say be omunim nyansa na these two parties both MPP and NDC is about time ayen for muntina baby say Captain Smart I can say we will be at long last or trim say now no a person contested on the ticket of NDC as parliamentary candidate for Gomwa West constituency. Meanwhile, there is an already existing MP NDC but Captain Smart as that me ni be we seek free but enwuma wa start here or no money there enwuma de oye bi pa Captain Smart ye bi all because of person ordering abano delegate ehwe na djuma wo ye na omotuma no na delegate etuma no a na voters no so ahwe no nyuma paso ato de ama ntinyuma de oyi ni se obepra abade de wa start ye nyuma it means say na ka Captain Smart ebetima ye nyuma ama Gomwa West for but aburonti ewidi ahye instrument ni wanye obi beka se onye MP fine onye MP a aden na fere ni abrese na onye MP na onye MP di aden na wo ye nyuma kire wo se nenko ho kwan se timamuni oman papa odi na ho odi ni sika nyansa eboa Gomwa West for but wanye all because onimsa Gomwa West onyamo so mfaso bia is odi sika boa ma watu sika to atwene ba na obe pre MP obe timo so mfaso eti no odi sika be ye mpuntu nyuma amamu na se modi mujimi to mana modi mokwasea eto mana obe tena mo konso de o ya no ai to nze mojimi mo yankwasea fo mo beto ama se modi mokwasea to mana obetena mo konso de o ya no ai enwa de oye bi na it surprises me because enkakoba ye na bia ye NPP nete so na NDC for air sponsor obi amna ko tunda ke normal but we de NDC ni nete akwan so that but Captain Smart so sorry when this gidi ho hare so at oye nyuma e ma say okay kan sem bia se be convince wo mu no ma toba no e de ama no baako o se obewene a delegate na mo ho no manti bia betua muka.
And I am promising them, I've told them again, I will pay after the elections. When I become the MP, every month, every delegate will be paid. Every month.
Or the better pay rules. Or no one can say the better pay rules in your mind. Say, what done is he can eat, or the better pay rules. Now, there's some kind of business and waiting, nobody come from. Captain Smart could pay more Gomwa West and persons well. Now the all corporate was our own home. Debiano na mahano fano ko dinga gudi enkomo ye chire wo mu na den komo den to aso eno be chire mu say me aya make Captain Koja Smart me ka chire one day say atu aba no de ma me Captain Koja Smart God's brain smart ya ame meze $250 million ebe ura constituency we mu
ame meze $250 million bo ura constituency I am repeating. Gomua West Development Agenda or $250 million. Nanami Medi MP Boyin. And here Krobia Betchem Nkwasohin. Medi MP Boyin. Krobia Betchem Nkwasohin. Namaka, Mersana Kabium. Atibiara Mezeman Ria Canada Meba had Makai. I'm a man for which I was Mewo. Messi. Atibiara Mezeman Academia Magumua Man. Nana Emmy. Quite smart. Samanya. Mesa Abosma Wogumwa West Hena and one meeting watching us here. No one come.
All kind of fantimusa. Ame. Mize. $250 million. Ebe ra constituency. Let's say. Enyes Kakuma. And I was like, now, the Captain Castle discovered we will constituency anymore. Or could you friend because over Kaya 2018, December 2018, Anna University of Ghana, Legon, Omo official website, Omo publications be Ewaso, Anna Omo Chiremu, Emihu, the MMDCs, and members of parliament. Common fund, Sika Edima Womus will be a fan Koyam Puntunuma, Ewan and Peswasono. Now, University of Ghana, Legon phone, Emma Yahu, Hane Senisikan ACTA, Eduano. And say, for every member of parliament biano, common fund, Sika de Mamo, so betina Akunyans as MP Ghana parliamentar. 4 years Ninian Sika Bawunsem, a range from 4.5 million Ghana cedis up to 6 million Ghana cedis. All about dollars is about $300,000 to $400,000. Sika Bawunsem. 4 years Ninian combined, Sika Bawunsem de Koya common, only Koya Puntu. Developmental projects or constituency one person. It ranges from 4.5 million cedis to 6 million cedis. Now also by MP waketuya amount afibiano a range from 1.2 million cedis up to 1.5 million. Now so check 4 years now. 4 years no MP bia ketuya ni sika nyina ba ni nsem nyina for 4 years and also ranging from 4.5 million to 6 million Ghana cedis. What you say? Let's say, can me no ere no. E bia cry 10 million. That's all can bomwa. For all the 4 years, no, as member of parliament, or common fund, any wangasa was base salary or gross salary, any or committee allowances or certain allowances, or office allowances, or end of meeting allowances, and we be at the Yagi Kambo Edma as Sikano. Yakenya Boma is just about 20 million cedis for all the 4 years. 20 million. All about dollars ma. Less than $2 million. Less than $2 million. But Captain Smart HS or no, or the $250 million. A paper constituency in others can all confess for him. Captain Smart confess carry ever henny. Now I know, and I got for visit Debbie. Yem pese beba, na said the okay from point then about Bayano, Obedia Kunyanu ya. Ya because FBI for the report about say why then in Jebefana ko yempe BBC ain't no Captain Smart I was saying money ya EOCO for 8 invite Captain Smart na omu busa na source of income because enuma wo ye wo Gomwa West honomono or see hospitals or contract market or see schools or see way or see ever Captain Smart no ano odene is the one say musa Captain say onya sika no wo hene
according to Captain Smart, or see, or the 250 million US dollars, and or the best say a ye go more chronim. Tie sound no. According to Captain Smart, or see go more in cost woni hiano. Wamuba boka 250 million US dollars. Into Odessa Sikano and the best Gomo Kronim, such a way a development ebeba Gomoa. Me bisa Captain Smart to say, sa 250 million US dollars no or say, or the best Gomo project in Nibuno. Aden so was Sikana Adentino on fan shame. No person obey MP and Sana or the Ashim. Me bisa eye Captain Smart. Say oti gomwan koswo. Sika be koso ye 250 million US dollars. Enti se wo sa 250 million US dollars na. adentina wo fa nhyem na wo develop Gomua na wo pese wo beye MP ansa wo develop Gomua question na me pese mi bisa no ana ochenya tamo beba bedi MP no ansa no wonya sa 250 million no e dia kwa koche Gomua project ni mu ana question pese mi bisa no na oba beye MP so ade na ekire se obenya sa 250 million US dollars no e dia ba be hye Gomua kronim de na ekire because 2028 aya Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ene oba beye Ghana omampahini o either you like it or not 2028 aya Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ene oba beye Ghana omampahini because NDC party na eda hono afeli Ghana for either you like it or not one more feli Ghana for promises ni ade a one more promise Ghana no one more feli one more inti Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na oba beye Ghana omampahini 2028 na woso Captain Smart so na wotina wo TV station eka say MPP ni bia ya aboa inti se MPP ni bia ya aboa na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na oba beye Ghana omampahini na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so ye MPP ni inti no wo ususu say aboa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no na onti 250 million enfama nimpa na nimpa onfanko develop ni kura na question bi bisa no 2028 abeye de tie sound no according to Captain Smart or see MPP for your more the same Captain Smart say so obabeye MP or the 250 million US dollars or the beche Gomua project in him. Na mesomini Captain Smart kasa say 2028 no person obabeye Gomua MP and say when you say 250 million no 2028 no aya Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no obabeye Ghana omampahini o na what's Captain Smart what say MPP ni bia ya aboa oto aba ma MPP ni ya aboa ana emmoa ato aba Ediama aboa so mna medi Ghana omampahini 2028 enti we say Captain Smart say who expect and who hope say 2028 na aboa ti say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia enti ni sika enfama nimpa no fan konkoye eye Gomua project ana kwasre mi bisa no ye 2028 Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia fa akunyana I bet you inyuma MPP di begu akwa mu no wahu development MPP any Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ni napo di begu akwa mu no and this government will have no idea it what Captain Smart na what's the war China 2028 wa kwa generate 250 million na wo de abechichi Gomua kuro no as if say Captain Smart we sika wo baby 2028 oba okwa akofa dia be develop eye Gomua the way Captain Smart or kasa no or kasa te say ye to aba na wo 250 million bi wo baby and obi kotokobo okwa akofa say sika no e dia aba be develop eye Gomua say wo Gomua jini mienu say Captain Smart any 250 million now to construct Gomua then facha wutirim so oba beye MP only 250 million o baby ya betam dia man so for me develop Gomua
babra na ensem ni bi wo ho asabe producer Captain Smart ontimi nka ne ba bia age se ebia Gomuafo nipa no mu bi e ro betimi aka kire wo tie nkomo na sabe eyame ya seminuanom Gomuafo mo betina se din ama sabe kwadwo e de na adwena biti mo eyame ya se mo betina se aye nhwehan ya makwadwo de na adwene e be biti mo ensem bebere wo ho a kwabra kwadwo eka nyina kire se or you're desperate for power and or you're desperate for something or the gomwa kwa bibi the kwajo ye nyina kire se or the gomwa kope bibi kwabra na yame ya say all the time he is able to gather some people ko fa nipa mienu miensa bi begina ho na wo twa tro de kire wo sabe manfo na mo gomwa west no me pamocho mama mani ene mo adwene mu na ho when it comes to kwajo mama mani ne mo adwene mu na ho gomwa please and please samanya study a mo benu mo ho achen say the Ghana to abakra de man na Danko Akufo-Addo be kan okra kire mo ne na kwabra de tie ade we tie ni emra
Ame was a $250 million Borough constituency. I am repeating. Gomwa West development agenda or a $250 million. Nanami meti MP Boyin. I hear Krobia Bechem Nkwasohin. Beti MP Boyin. Krobia Bechem Nkwasohin. Namaka, Mersana Kabiu. Atibiara Mezeman Ria Canada Meba had Makai. Ama man for which I was Mewo. Messi. Atibiara Mezeman Academia Magumu man. Nana Emmy. Quite smart. Samanya. Mesa Aposma Woguma West Hina and one meeting watch us here. No one
this guy upon everything he is trying to be smart. Kabra. On say oyeni pa ho adwene adwuma. Wonim oyeni pa oye wa adwene ho adwuma. Ohwe wanim din say wote ho na oye mo adwene ho adwuma. Oye mo adwene ho adwuma. Because wonim in the first place a hefa na kojo kwa kofa $250 million. Or wo hu say sika ne bi da. Adwuma be na kojo ye ne kurom ha ono $1 million kra obenya bi dia ba. A wono ne se the $250 million e na e ba be develop eye gomwa. Owie ye na as wo de duabo bi atato. Na just why ye wa adwene ne ho adwuma ma wahu say obey asɛm na wɔka no obey na no kra no wɔka na enipa baako so a medi wo mo ho yaw ene ahemfo na wo mo wokronim ahemfo na wo mo wokronim no wo mo kamanfo na medi wo mo ho yaw kese pa wo Gomwa West ho. They are part of the problem. They are part of what is happening in Gomwa. Mo na mote ho na mo so kwadwo so se ono ne mra medi MP. You guys are not serious. Munye serious. Muna mote ho na mo so kwadwo so se wono na medi MP e wo Gomwa. Na se wo NDC ni medical be na me ka ni biem se wo NDC ni na wo je Penyah egna daje tie kwadwo mpo ekoto abadema na wadi wo atem. Wadi wo atem. Wadi jeje ni mu nyina atem. The late Jerry John Rawlings wadi wo atem. NDC form abeko age party ne ko wadi wo atem. Because kwadwo di obi atem wo NDC ni mu kwamna. Okoka wo mo se no de na ye kane no ene odidi wo matem wa be pachaw emfahin kosi hen ni ade a. Wo de we was 2025 Emra Mahama eba office. Na no ada ya kwabna 2025 year Emra Mahama ba office ya. Ene wo kan sa asemu ye. Wo de tie. Me mpesa me de ma no be.
If indeed we are resetting.
Konye.
No, say from January basis there. What have we resetted? You see, what's that? The any I say, I say, nipa ne binum ya abrofo na ye gya o magu baby. Enti one kasa now. Who buy ye na kasa wo various ministries, departments and agencies no. When him say nipa wo ye ogu yi. O di ewu. Me pesa me resetting. Nipa him pesa me resetting. Now we so to her and say oh. Wo dey ye ma time kakra. Wa bodam.
Emra Mahama no waka kire ne say wa bodam no. Ye nyina ye president. We 2025 ya kwabra. Enchai. We nya titi videos ni bi. 2025 Emra Mahama ba mu. And waka kire ne say wa bodam just because reset na waka ye no. Ni ministers bi, ni appointees bi, we must slow down. And na yeras ye nya abotre na reset ni beba. And na ye kwadwo ete ho ka se Emra Mahama abodam. Okoto abama sa nipa we. Upon everything, he is a professional liar. Kwabena, Captain Kwadwo Smart, he is a professional liar. I am telling you, mena maker. Edi some one can the chrome hammer patcho. Edi some one can for Ramahama ho, and then Daya who do go Dubai. Edi some one can for politicians who chroma. Edi some the on can for NDC when or the NDC dean in a Kwakwaji position. That is what surprises me. Say NDC is sitting down watching this thing happen. What is wrong? Someone hear your party in Baba MPP, the MPP in the U. NDC, someone hear ya mo party no. Ebeba be we said ye ne. MPP we or more try some be pick up on so more bre. It is a very fine opportunity for you guys. Mo beti media rule or minor channel ruling ye. Na more ma sabi. Obi te se Kwadwo. Abetwin twama akwam. Or a professional liar. O twan trokrojen or ye nipa ho adwene dwuma. It is one hear the adwene baby too. Or kase we are not the diabata to aya obeye. Obwa hu. Obwa. It's mean you are go more for. Se mama mani na ho. Nioma be fam asese. Me kan okra kire mo ne. Se mama mani na ho nioma be fam asese.
Now, NDC podcast party, me person busam question. Party no munim penifo a omo check nioma. Anase Captain Smart. Mo share ne bobi se omo am na munya tumi wi a mo be ma abeye NP wa NDC di mu ana mentiase. Because the Captain Kwadwo Smart eye ne Gomua West. Ma hakimentiase. NDC penifo bi anka ho hwe. Obi aye hwe han enna NP na ho no Ogomua West no onabujan no ase Captain Smart shela ko se man no ko gu nanim ase ana wo ko se na ma manfo no and leaders e wan this mu na ate wo the Captain Smart here no a two strategy no we so and this way Captain Kwadwo Smart person first one oje ofa NDC di ediye project ye popular e di NDC podcast party amana nkokora na obeko independent entimunya smart because NP na ho no onabujan no steady the Captain Smart here say NP no edene fise wo sha say or ko say o so person opere NP no anything NP no be na dwe so obeye bia Captain Smart wo ho asem kan adabi Captain Smart and the street bobo on the bebo so on kanchiro bia NP no ko ba bi so ko bo street light no afa ho no condemn NP no wasi school there bi ono amaso oba be NP anka NP ni be ye school down no and so no afa ho no condemn NP no no akọ wasi can say common fan o ka ko si say common fan NDC NP no e dey no de common fan o ka momanfo na ate asese we di common fan na wo Captain Smart ye ka wo yitu mo mpo abom kampesa mabie wo entinu Gomua West for ne ye ka kire mo se NDC penufo na se omo mani na ho mo anso ma mani ye de enna ho chama se dum kete ada no ko interview busa o question se wo didi na mframam se opeso ba wo si o enu kra de nya no hu ne hia mo because Ghana fo ato aba e de amamo se mo ma president mama me depend na nisu ade hu no nti na bosha wo share Ghana fo no enu ne simo ndi so chama se dum kete esia internal election mo me nte kra so ma hye date sembeko ba mote wo emo obi asole akọ obi mpeso aso okọ enani onanim guase kwa na ogu no kansan fam NDC na asa dem apanimu bi anim Captain Smart ena Gomua West from Begina di eya mwadwe si wo ye project mamo mo pa mo nto aba okoye NPV ase mbe hu no bi mu a me hu se NDC podcast party aye omo internal election na wo yakogina ha na ogugu ehu fi ti se de NPP yen enti hu se me kasem we ya me can because of the Captain Kwadwo Smart ye no abusia the BDC NPP mu no ebi na Captain Smart e de ba NDC mu ebe ye say yin munim mu de montena chema ezedu getia me say adan de wo kan ye e wo Asempa FM say mistake a NPP for aye no mu NDC for mu mpese mu be ye bi saa de no ahyase obabi na eba because obi tie kira obadwen se ade NDC for mpanimfo oho eni and the check up to smart chi ana because enema bi se won tie ase
obeto atira wa adwen de amame e wo comment section ayi Penyah Block Media Accra.